Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a tutorial showing how to make this watermelon charm out of polymer clay and resin. And this is in collaboration with Lorien's Craft Box and PinkSugarCotton, so don't forget to check out their videos. So first I'm going to take some Fimo white translucent clay and I'm going to roll it out flat. And once flattened, I'm going to cut out a nice little rectangular strip. So I'm taking my white strip and I'm wrapping it around a heart-shaped mold, and if you don't have one, you can make something heart-shaped out of clay and bake it, but this is just to keep the shape nice and perfect. After cutting out the excess, I blended the ends together, and once that's all done, I'm adding a little green strip of clay as well, and I'm wrapping it around the heart. Next I took some green clay and I rolled it into a snake that tapered at one end. And I added it to the top of my heart, and this is going to be a vine, and I decided to manipulate the vine so it kind of shaped a heart. Next you want to take some black clay and you want to pinch it into a teardrop shape and flatten it out for the watermelon seeds. And once completed, I baked according to instructions, and I did take out the heart silicone mold out of my bezel before I baked it because I wasn't sure if it was bake safe. Now I have a piece of packaging tape and I'm putting it on the back of my bezel charm like I do with any other resin piece. Then I poured some resin into a cup and I made my watermelon color. So to make that, I added some white. And I'm mixing some pink. And I poured the watermelon resin so it filled about half the bezel. And I allowed that half layer to cure. And once cured, I added a second layer of pink resin on top. And I added the polymer clay seeds that we baked earlier. And I allowed that layer of resin to cure as well as soon as the seeds were in. And then I domed it on both sides. And once the layer of doming is cured, you should have your watermelon heart bezel that looks like this. And I made this video for Valentine's Day, so if you want to check out other videos, don't forget to check out Sophie or PinkSugarCotton's Elsa and Anna Chibi couple charms, and Abby's or Lorien Craft Box's Sakura Cherry Blossom UV Shaker charm. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you!